Just because a trade went green in my favor doesn't mean it was a good trade. Today, the market is live. It's 3:12 p.m. Eastern Time. The New York Stock Exchange has about 45 minutes left before closing. I just wanted to run over a trade that I prepared for, wanted to show how I prepare for it. Here is the 1 minute chart. We could see in the AM that the bulls took the price up. There was a lack of continuation and price started tapering. At 12:54, I noted this in the group. I see two potential structures. So this is what I'm preparing for to take a trade. Number one, I'm preparing for the orange buying algo to reactivate to continue going up. If the bulls do not, then the bears would need to close the cup right approximately at that blue algorithm and then form a handle. Those are the two scenarios that I was preparing for at 12:54. Here's a blown up shot of that. So I'm looking for an inverse cup to form and then a handle to take shorts, or for the bulls to activate the orange algorithm. As price continued throughout the day, you can see that the cup indeed did close the inverse cup and a handle formed. This is where I took my trade, entered short, and exited my first position and the second position. There's the inverse cup, the handle formed. I took it at the pink algorithm I was hoping was going to be resistance, and I took the short. Now, I say just because a trade went green doesn't mean it was a good trade. What I mean by that is, look at where I took my trade. I took it at the pink algorithm, which was resistance, but it was still in the orange buying algorithm. So the bulls could have easily shot this up. That's a dangerous entry, dangerous trade to take. In hindsight, the safer trade and what I should have waited for, I got a little too excited on my entry. I should have waited for price to break the orange buying algorithm here and then retest that same pink resistance. This white circle right here is the safest entry. Again, just because my trade was green does not mean it was a good trade. I had a bad entry. I entered when the bulls were still moving up. I should have been a little more patient. We live and learn, and this is why we review, we do a post-trade analysis.